Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm here to do What's New Wednesday. This is a Dollar Tree edition. Let's get into it. So recently I went on a little shopping trip to Dollar Tree, and I shared the Shop With Me video on my other channel at Journal Life's Journey. I'll put a link to it in the iCard and in the description box below. But these are the items that I picked up. So first off, this particular Dollar Tree had a wallpaper section, and they had these sheets of wallpaper. They're 11 by 16, peel and stick. It says they're removable, fashionable, you can put them on furniture, different things like that. I kind of wanted them to make backdrops for when I'm taking photos or even recording, even though the lighter color doesn't seem to do that well when I'm recording, but I think they would make great backdrops for photos. And I could take two and put them together like this on a piece of foam core board, or even the display boards that they have at Dollar Tree. So that was my idea for those. And I just got the wood grain pattern. So they had two different patterns. This is one, and then this is the other one. And I was concerned about glare. I can see that they have a little bit of glare, but they're not really glossy, so they won't glare up like a lot of things would. They have a satin finish, so. And they can be wiped clean, so you could probably even make yourself a craft mat out of these if you wanted to. Again, these were at the Dollar Tree for $1 each sheet. They're 11 by 16 peel and stick wallpaper pieces. So I thought that was an excellent find. And they had other patterns. Again, check out my video on the other channel and you'll see all the patterns that they had. Also in the section with the wallpaper, they had these removable tile decals. Again, they had a variety of designs and styles, and I won't be using any of this probably for the purpose that it was intended, but I thought that I could use this to make journal covers of some sort. I don't know how that would work, but I liked these two designs, so I got two of each. Just in case I mess up with whatever I decide to do, I have an extra one. But these are basically the same concept. You peel and you stick, and these are 8 by 8 squares. So, and again, lots of different designs were at the store that I went to. So I got two of each of those. Then also somewhat related, they had some different wall creations. So these are basically stickers. They're a matte finish. They're oversized. These would work great in a journal, in your planner, notebook, however you want to use them. So I got these blue butterflies and moths. I'm not sure that they're all butterflies. I think some of these are moths. So I got that one. I got this one with the pink roses. I think these are roses. And these are big, but you know how I cut flowers, so I'm pretty sure I could find a way to use them if I cut them down. I only get 6 for $1, but again, I cut things and place them differently, and I'm thinking that these would probably be in a journal instead of in a planner, but it could work in a planner too. We'll see. Then I got these two with the gold foil. Just a leaf pattern. I thought this would be good for fall. I'm working on fall journals. Maybe I'll get them finished this year. I don't know. But I thought these would be good in a journal for a dashboard. You could make a clear dashboard with the foil leaves as the focal point. And since it's silver on the back, that would work great. So a nice clear dashboard would work. Let's see, how do these look on the, yeah, these are white on the back. You could also use these to make dashboards too. I think this would be awesome, especially like in an A5 or classic size dashboard. Maybe clear wouldn't be the best way to go, but this would make a nice element on a dashboard. So moving on to more crafty things. I have looked at these before and I'm like, I have enough paper, I have enough paper, I have enough paper. And I have enough scraps. But I decided to pick up a couple of these paper packs from Dollar Tree. They have a variety of scrap papers in here. It says 200 GSM. So I'm guessing they are cardstocks. So let's see what we've got. I'm just going to go through one pack. So we got this glittery, I think it's like a felty paper actually. Kind of feels yuck. Then we got this textured wood grain paper. That's pretty cool. Then these are not thick papers at all. Very thin. Yeah, and they're kind of stuck together. I'm not sure what I would be able to do with those, but I'm sure I could find something. Then, ew, I don't know what kind of paper this is. It feels like handmade paper, and it's kind of beat up, so I probably would use that. Maybe that's just the way it is, though. I don't know, because it's like a handmade paper. These are the same pieces of, like, it almost feels like fabric. So I don't know what I would use that for. These look like little sticky notes, but again, just pieces of paper, offcuts probably from something else. This is more like cardstock here. So this could easily be covered with a digital paper and used. Good size too. Can make journaling cards out of this. Let's see. More of that. This feels like construction paper, this piece. So these kind of like a more high-end construction paper though, not like the construction paper you have at school, but these are nice pieces. And then more of this yellow paper. This is pretty. Okay, this is going in my mermaid journal for sure. Can make journaling cards with those. Got a little peachy orange color. Again, you can tell these are offcuts because some of them aren't cut straight. And more. So this is not bad. I have a few questionable pieces in here, but overall this is pretty nice. You get the silver. That's cool. And then a teal piece. So now I'm kind of curious as what's in the other pack. We'll do a quick flip through. I gotta know now. So overall, I think these are worth the $1. Let's see. So we got another piece of the red, come in handy for Christmas. The crinkled up paper. This is craft paper, cardstock. Some skinny pieces of that yellow paper. I wonder why they are stuck together like that. Maybe from the cutting process, because they are really stuck together. But there's no signs of any adhesive or anything. Some more of that handmade paper. These would make tags, although they would be kind of small tags. They would make cute tags. This is like a marbled paper. I like these. Wish I had some bigger pieces. That's pretty cool. Ooh, this is nice. It's marbled with foil. And then this is another, some more of that green marbling. These are nice. Nice pieces. Some more of the yellow. I need to use some of these up quickly. Some orange. And I kind of picked these packs because I could see what was in it. For the most part, as far as the bigger pieces. I think this is a cross between cardstock and construction paper, because it has that construction paper feel but it's heavier like a cardstock. Same with these very pale pink pieces. Then you got these. Again, these would work in my mermaid journal. So not bad. So definitely a good deal for $1. But if you don't have a lot of scraps and you need small pieces, these are a nice option. So let's move on to the Halloween section. I picked this up. This is totally not my Halloween style. This is more whimsical and kitty for me, but I thought that some of the elements I could use. For instance, the witch, the bats, the tree, maybe the house, the pumpkin with the cat. So some of it is not overly kitty. I think I could use some of it. So this is actually journaling cards. It says 2 pieces. So these are the 2 pieces that are in here. I guess I got ahead of myself. I'm not showing you this part first. So this is a Crafters Square product. I thought they would be punched out or something, but it doesn't look like it. So that means I'd have to fussy cut, which I do not like doing, but yeah, I like this. This is good. I could use probably most of what is on here. Now, why would these be called journaling cards? I do not know. Unless you are supposed to cut them out and use them in a variety of ways. I can save this for a cover. Anywho, it would have been so much better if they would have been something that I could punch out or peel off like a sticker. But I can work with it. So we got that. Then I picked up these pins, or they're calling them pins. So they are pumpkins with the tiny little clothesline pin. And I was thinking that I could probably pull those off somehow, some way. Maybe I can do it without breaking the pumpkin because I don't really need the clip. And I was thinking I could have the wood piece of the pumpkin to use for something else. These were in the fall section. But yeah, I thought these were pretty cute. So I got 2 packs of those. This is what it looks like. Okay, so 2 packs. Then I got a little wishful with my thinking. I picked up these 2 casket wood pieces, coffin wood pieces, I guess you would call it, would be more appropriate. And I was thinking that I could use them to either make a box, so 2 pieces on top of each other with some type of side, and maybe be able to actually open the top of it, or turn these into some type of journal. What I was thinking, either if I did the box, then I could just make a paper journal to go in the box. If I think it would be a little more complicated to actually turn these into a journal, although it could be done. But I think the box would be cooler. Throughout the year, maybe I'll get a chance to work on this. I also have other Halloween projects that I want to do throughout the year, but we'll talk about more of that in another video because I have a whole thing planned out for it. So I got these 2 coffins. Then I also picked up this pack of napkins for decoupage. I'm still trying to build my napkin stash, and I thought of the ones that I saw, this one would be the best option for decoupage because it's mostly white. The design is off to itself so that I could actually pull out the design. So I picked that up from Dollar Tree, and that is it for this What's New Wednesday Dollar Tree haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.